As a white person, when I go to a Mexican restaurant or a French cafe, I take pride in trying to perfectly announce the names of the dishes. Like I was eating Mexican food the other day, and when the waiter asked me what I wanted, I said, "Can I get a quesadilla y carne, please?" And at these types of food places, the workers are always people that come from that country. So this guy's got like a strong Spanish accent. And after I say that, he just looks at me and I could tell he was disappointed with me. Like I know he's just thinking, dude, just say quesadilla like all the other white people. But no, I respect other people's cultures. So if they pronounce it quesadilla y carne, I'm gonna say quesadilla y carne. And one day, I'm gonna pronounce it so good that they're gonna think I'm Mexican. One day. Quesadilla!